When I was a kid, you know, my passion or interest was to drive a jeep or van. I used to get a lot of dreams about driving. At that time, I was fascinated by the steering wheel. I wanted to drive just because of the steering wheel. I was not fascinated by speed or looks or mileage of the vehicle. Ultimately, I got my first four-wheeler at the age of 43 as a Maruti Omni. Personal freedom and independence. Increased mobility. Driving provides the ability to travel where and when you want without relying on public transportation schedules or the availability of others. Convenience for daily activities like commuting to work, shopping, and running errands. Having a car can save time and effort. Accessibility. It allows you to reach places that may not be well served by public transport, such as rural areas or specific destinations. Professional and career benefits. Job opportunities. Many jobs require a driver's license, either for commuting or as part of the job duties, such as sales, delivery, or field services. Flexibility. Being able to drive can make it easier to attend job interviews, networking events, or professional development opportunities that are not within walking distance or accessible by public transport. Emergency situations. Quick response. In case of emergencies such as medical situations, having the ability to drive can be crucial for reaching help quickly. Dependability. Being able to drive means you can assist others in emergencies, such as taking a family member to the hospital or evacuating during natural disasters. Social and recreational benefits. Driving allows you to visit friends and family more easily, attend social events, and participate in community activities. It opens up opportunities for road trips, vacations, and exploring new places that may not be accessible by other means. Practical skills and confidence. Driving is a practical life skill that can be useful in various situations throughout your life. Mastering driving can boost your confidence and sense of independence, knowing you can manage your transportation needs. Economic and financial considerations. In some cases, driving can be more cost-effective than using public transportation, especially if you carpool or drive a fuel-efficient vehicle. Owning a vehicle can be a significant personal asset and provide a sense of ownership and responsibility. Future technological integration. Understanding the basics of driving can make it easier to adapt to and use future advancements in autonomous vehicle technology. Learning to drive now can prepare you for transitioning to more eco-friendly vehicle options in the future. Overall, learning to drive can greatly enhance your quality of life by providing flexibility, opportunities, and a valuable life skill.